Starting in 2026, manufacturing is entering the dawn of the intelligent era, an era where AI transforms from a supporting tool into a central engine, driving a fundamental shift from traditional automation to true intelligence. EPTAHUB identified this trend as early as 2025, and after months of development, we built a global AI-powered resource-sharing platform for on-demand manufacturing. The platform brings together 1,000 manufacturers from around the world, covering core services like CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, injection molding, and more. Here, resources are shared. If you have idle equipment, come to EPTAHUB. We'll match you with the right orders. If you have a complex design you can't produce, come to EPTAHUB. We'll connect you with a manufacturer who can. EPTAHUB offers one-stop service with full process management, including design, prototyping, machining, quality inspection, and global delivery. EPTAHUB also features an online 3D auto quoting system. Get a quote in seconds, saving you significant time and cost. Just 3 months after launch, 100 global manufacturers have already joined us. Take a small sheet metal fabrication company in Germany. Struggling with inconsistent quality control, they couldn't secure long-term clients, with annual profits under 70,000 euros. After joining us, we helped them establish unified quality standards and connected them with European automotive supply chains. Not only did they secure long-term orders, but they now consistently receive 2 overseas custom orders per month. Today, their annual profit exceeds 150,000 euros, and they no longer worry about where the next order will come from. Today, EPTAHUB extends an invitation to manufacturers, suppliers, and industry teams worldwide. No fees, no barriers. If you have compliant production qualifications and a genuine commitment to manufacturing excellence, you can join us, share in global manufacturing opportunities, grow your business together, build thicker margins, and unlock new possibilities in manufacturing.